offering from Jio, and it is to target the 2G users. So in India today we have 250 million 2G users. Let us open the box and see what is there inside. So this is a phone which is actually made in India and made for Indians. We are opening the box and we have Jio Bharat here. If you see, this is the charger, and this small phone is packed with multiple features. A small phone with 4.5 centimeter screen. Let us open it. This is Jio Bharat. This phone has lots of features. It is packed with features like Jio voice, HD voice calling. It works on VoLTE. Soon we'll find VoLTE over here. You can see Jio 4G here. It has wireless FM, 4G internet browsing, and it supports 22 Indian languages. Besides, it has a lot of other features, like you can see 3.5 millimeter headphone jack here. This is the charger. You can put charger over here. This is the place which is a loudspeaker. This is a 0.3 megapixel camera, and here we have a torch, which is one of the most important feature of feature phones. So let us look at the menu, what is there inside. So we have calls, contacts, messages, multimedia, etc. So in settings, if we go, we can see the languages. Under phone settings, about phone languages, we have over 22 languages. You can see all the languages here. So every place in India this phone can be used. Three most important apps which is there here is Jio Savan, which has almost 8 crore songs. This is Jio Pay. You can do your UPI payments through Jio Pay, and this is Jio Cinema. So all of us watched IPL on Jio Cinema, so you can actually do that on this small beautiful phone. So let us look at, say, cricket highlights. If we go there, this is highlight for finals, which is CSK versus GT. If we play, this plays like this. This is the highlight you can see here. So this is the screen on this. This is a beautiful small phone on which you can see these features. So these are the basic highlights of this upcoming Jio phone, which is here to make India 2G Mukt, and it is available to more than 250 million 2G customers to upgrade to 4G. We have another very beautiful feature of this. We have put the battery inside, and this is a 1000 mAh battery. So the phone lasts for very, very long. And in terms of memory also, you have option of expanding the memory using SD card up to 128 GBs. So these are very important feature for a feature phone, Jio Bharat.